Jim. Hokahe. BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO Anishinaabe. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Muckwa Nindijanakaz. Muckwa. Here's my name. Bear. I'm Bear, but you can call me Muckwa. Muckwa Nindijanakaz. Muckwa is my name. And today's Ojibwe word of the day, Muckwa. You know, Muckwa Nindo Deum too. I'm also of the Bear clan. We are the protectors of the Anishinaabe. We patrol the perimeters, looking for danger. Somebody asked me, "Hey Muckwa, what's your middle name?" I told him, Danger. Yeah, Muckwa. And you've tuned into the live stream. It's Friday. Nano Geeja Good. It is the 5th day. That's what we call Friday in Ojibwe, the 5th day. And we came on live today. Came on live this morning. Like we did this every day this week. I mean, at least for the week. Didn't we, Michael? That's right. Michael Lyons is over here, people. He's going to come up later. You're going to come up, play your guitar? Yeah, I thought I might play some songs. Yeah, that's a nice way to start your morning. A little acoustic guitar music. Never hurt nobody. Muckwa, Bear. And let's see, what can I say about Bear? You know, in the 7 grandfather teachings, Bear, Muckwa, represents courage. Akwade a win, courage. We're known because we're courageous. You know, the Bear clan, they're the protectors, Michael. Yeah, that's what you just said. Yeah, because we got courage. Akwade a win. Hey, BOOZHOO, Jim. How you doing this morning? Mino Giga Jeb. A Muckwa. Bear. And I thought I would come on this morning. They asked me if Michael came up to me this morning. He was like, "Hey, Muckwa, would you like to introduce the show this morning?" I was like, "Yeah, I can do that. I'll talk to the people. But I'll only do it if Christine Berry shows up." Oh, hey, Christine's here. BOOZHOO, Christine. Mino Giga Jeb. Welcome to the show. I was just introducing myself to Jim. I'm Muckwa. Muckwa Nindijanakaz. And today is a Ojibwe word of the day. Akwade a win, courage. Because that is what the bear represents with the 7 grandfather teachings. You know what? I got a graphic here.